Hi, 6th grade band. Today for your at-home lesson, you'll be working on the musical jumpstart in Tambora in the beginning to measure 7. In order to find Tambora, you go into Schoology for Band, Ensemble Music, Tambora, and then click on your specific instrument. For this example, I'll be using the flute. Make sure you choose your instrument. Keep in mind the parts may not line up exactly with what I am playing, and that is okay. You'll want to scroll down to find the musical jumpstart. You'll want to do, we're going to play through the slur salome and the 8th note explosion. We'll play through it twice. This is number 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3. Moving on to number 2, the 8th note explosion. Once again, we'll play it twice. 1, 2, 3. Second time, ready. Moving up to the beginning. Going from the beginning to measure 7. It is not too fast. It's 88 to 100 for your quarter note. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll notice that when we get to the fierce section, it changes to a faster beat, which is why I was counting faster. After you go through this screencast and play along with me as a review, you should be doing number 1, slur salome, number 2, 8th note explosion, and then working on the beginning to measure 7. Once you complete that, you can go in and do the exit slip, which is a recording, and you're going to play from the beginning to measure 7 of Tambora. And I will see you next week for your next assignment.